Good Monday evening to you. I'm meteorologist Nick Gunter. Hope you've had a great day so far today. Well, over the next 24 to 48 hours, we have some pretty interesting weather. And here's your bottom line we have out for you. You're going to want to be prepared because we could see ice accumulations in our area as well as snow accumulations. It's going to give away for some hazardous travel. We already have some work and school closings. The schools and places are being proactive with this winter weather situation because Mississippi State is closed tomorrow on Tuesday, and as well as the county and city schools in the Starkville area. And since we're going to see those ice accumulations get up there, that means we could see some sporadic power outages. So go ahead and get your bread, your milk, and go ahead and get those batteries and cell phones charged over the next few hours in case you do see some power outages. But looking live outside to Starkville right now, notice traffic's moving pretty nicely out there, and we're seeing temperatures at 36 degrees. We are starting to see some sprinkles as well. I saw some sprinkles coming into the studio. North winds coming in at 6 miles per hour, helping that 36 feel a little bit colder than that to your skin out there, so you're going to want to bundle up if you do have plans to be outdoors. Temperatures across the entire region, they're pretty much the same as what we're seeing here in Starkville. 34 degrees in Ackerman, 35 in Calhoun City, so everyone's in the middle 30s, but we are going to see those temperatures begin to drop quite a bit. All right, here's a look at our radar over the past several hours. Notice we were drier earlier today, but that rainfall is starting to move in, and we're also starting to see some of this change over into the frozen precipitation type, as well as sleet and freezing rain and snow, and we're expected to see all of that. And the reason why we're seeing warnings issued is because of those possibilities. In fact, we have a winter storm warning issued for Starkville and the Golden Triangle region for the most part. This is all this shaded in pink. All that's possible is the ice, the sleet, the freezing rain. And then we're also seeing a winter storm watch. That includes the Lee County and Tupelo area and parts of Noxubee as well north of Meridian. That's where they can mainly see snow, and that's what all they're going to see. So let's time this out for you. Look at the next several hours at high-res predictor. Monday at 6 p.m. today, you notice we're starting to see some of that moisture stream in. Now, this is 10 p.m. If you're heading out, we're still just dealing with the rainfall later tonight, but then we're going to start seeing that change. This is 1 a.m. on our Tuesday. The pinks, that indicates the ice, freezing rain. And the blues up toward our north, that indicates the snow. And that's how it's going to be for the most part. Starkville and the Golden Triangle, we're going to mostly see with the freezing rain and the mixed precipitation, whereas the northern part, we're expected mostly to see snowy precipitation over the next several hours before we start to see the snow creep in. We'll see the temperatures change over to snow for us later on around 10 a.m. on our Tuesday before they finally start to taper off by noon on Tuesday and clear out of here by 4 p.m. on Tuesday. But that's round one. We do have another round that could come in on Wednesday night into Tuesday night into Wednesday. All right, here's what we expect. We expect the snow accumulation 1 to 2 inches off toward the northern part of our viewing area, about a quarter to half an inch of ice accumulation in the Starkville region down here. That's what could help our bridges and overpasses freeze. So just be careful. Just use extreme caution if you're traveling. So tonight, 27, freezing rain and sleet. That's our totals that we could see. I'm expecting bridges and overpasses to be hazardous. Tomorrow, we won't warm up that much, 33 degrees. That means that everything that's on the roadways will melt a little bit before they could refreeze on our Wednesday. So we could see some treacherous travel on Wednesday as well. Looking at our 7-day forecast, you can see that because our low on Wednesday night is 26 degrees. So if you can make it through Tuesday and Wednesday, then the remainder of the week is looking good. We'll be above freezing on Thursday, warming up. Look at the weekend. It's looking fantastic. 60s with partly sunny skies. That looks pretty nice. So make it through this weekend. Make it through the travel this weekend and this next 2 days before you get toward the weekend. Have a great day.